think you want whatever land you land on. The earth is just some dead thing you can claim. But I know every rock and tree and creature has a life, has a spirit, has a name. You think the only people who are people are the people who look and think like you. But if you walk the footsteps of a stranger, you learn things you never knew, you never knew. Have you ever heard the cry to the blue corn moon, or ask the grinning bobcat why he grinned? Can you sing with all the voices in the mountain? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Can you paint with all the colors of the wind? Come on the hidden pine trails, the forest. Come taste the sun-sweet berries of the year. Come rolling all the riches all around you. And for once, never wonder what that was. The rainstorm and the river are my brothers. The airman and the altar are my friends. And we are